Greetings and abundance. I'm Corinne Marquise, founder and CEO of Brilliant Abundance, a nonprofit organization meeting the healing needs of women surviving violence. Our greatest vision is to see women walking in abundance through healing their trauma. This video series is dedicated to mothers and women who cope with everyday life, trauma healing, and mental health needs. Our topics will range from womb health to motherhood and chronic illness, maternal trauma, and childhood trauma. I hope this series leaves you feeling empowered and courageous enough to share your story if you're in need of help, because no woman is alone.
Hello, my name is Dr. Andrea Moore, and here's my story.
Okay, so about to record this. Show you the camera first. Whew, I feel nervous. Oh my God! Okay. Whew. Thank you, God. Oh my God! The only thing I'm tripping off of is the lighter. See that? That just makes me a little nervous because it could either mean a couple of things. HCG levels are still very low, or that's what it means. It's still so early because we're just believing God right there. Thank you, God. I really don't know why I'm recording this, honestly. I guess because I recorded the good announcement and I wanted to kind of like vlog it. For some reason, my brain, there's a part of my brain that's saying I should do this. So I found out, I tested positive for pregnancy about 3 weeks ago, and so I was super excited. I made a video about it, sent it to my husband, and I started bleeding yesterday, right before my first class of the semester at Sac State. It's a 7:30 a.m. class, and literally right before I was about to walk into the door, I felt something. And so I went to the bathroom like, oh God, really? Like, what? Like, why is this happening? And then I went to the bathroom and there was some pinkish blood on the tissue. And emotionally, I wanted to like lose it, because here it was, like, I was so happy, and I dealt with this a year ago, and I thought that this was going to be my silver lining. And it was such a big day, and I just was confused on why it had to happen like that. Such a big day, like I'm trying to figure out why. Why would I have to experience something so like scary right before such a big day? And I'm still not really sure why, except that God is just testing my faith. And so I found a way to get through the rest of the classes. A couple, technical challenges here and there, but I couldn't give my all. But I gave as much as I could. And so I went home, scared to use the bathroom, scared to look in the bathroom. I looked in the bathroom. There was more tissue, more blood on the tissue. So I was like, well, maybe, and I felt cramping in my back, and I know that's a sign of miscarry. And so I was like, well, maybe, I just want to keep saying maybe it's, and then when I talk about it, it's like my body psychologically, I start to feel more cramping. And so I was just, I don't know. I don't even know why I'm recording. This is stupid. So I was like, well, maybe if I just rest, and I tried to change my attitude, and I sat on the couch, and then I was like, you're like not doing your work. I have so much work that I have to do with this article and like preparing for my classes, and I'm just putting it off, but I'm finding myself going into that space. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to have positive attitude. I'm gonna eat, but I was like, I don't even feel pregnant. Like, how come I'm not starving? So in exactly 1 hour, I'm either gonna get the confirmation that I'm having a miscarriage, I'm miscarrying, or a miracle is gonna happen. My brain wants to overthink, and I'm trying so hard not to overthink because I'm gonna be alone. Like, the reality is, if I just straight go by like facts at this point, I've been bleeding. I'm alone. I'm going through this alone. Like, I'm by myself. My husband's in Dallas. I'm by myself, losing another baby that I really wanted and that I was really happy about. Why this is my life and why I'm by myself going through this, I don't know. I'm the kind of person that wants to learn the lesson and wants to grow and wants to understand why God puts you in certain situations. And then the optimistic side of me is like, this was a test just to see, were you going to freak out or were you just going to believe God all the way through? But there's this part of my brain that's like, believing God all the way through is like, well, this two things can happen. Yeah, you can, it's a miracle, which I feel like, no, it's not going to happen because of the facts of what I've seen and what I've gone through before. Or or it is a miracle and I don't know what's going to happen. That's like the greatest thing that could ever happen. But the side of my brain is just like, it's hard to be optimistic and it's hard to be faithful and it's hard to just be like, God said no. It's hard because I don't want to go, I don't want to be depressed. I don't like that feeling of, I don't like it. It robs me of everything. 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 It robs me of all my hope. Then the other side is just like, you don't know what's going to happen. I could find this out and I could find out that I am still pregnant and be happy and come home with a whole nother attitude and everything will be changed again. My biggest question is like, why did I get pregnant again? To have that blessing just to like find out that I'm not pregnant or that, yeah, like why? What, like, I don't understand it. And is it for me to understand? No. Thousands of women go through this. So I know it, like, I'm not special. I know I'm not the only one. I just don't want it to change me forever. I don't want it to change me forever. To think that, in this life, you can think that your mind is strong when your body's not strong, and you can think this and that, but one day you're just gonna, no, I don't want that to change me forever. I don't that's what I'm afraid of. It's gonna change me forever, and I won't shine the same, and I can't be my full self for my son, Zion, and Destiny, as Keith, and my students, and my job, and all the work that I have to do. That I just won't be able to do it. And I'll just be questioning everything else again about me and why. And I don't want to have to go through that again. I don't want it. It's so hard. It's so hard. I don't understand why. Why I'm already having to go through that now. Strong is overrated. I swear it's not fair to be like, I'm strong. Not when you like going through it like strong. So what? To be like, oh, I'm so strong. Yeah, you are strong. You're like durable like Teflon, and like you can handle so much pain and so much stuff. What does that really mean, that you can handle hurt?
Be abundant, courageous queen.